Yan, pinapakita
Kasi
na.
naka-screen share na ako. Ayan, yan. Iba-ibang klaseng crop circles yan. At as you said, no, lumalabas yan sa iba-ibang lugar ng mundo. Pero karamihan talaga, siguro mga 70 to 80% sa UK, malapit sa Stonehenge at saka sa Avebury. Magkalapit lang yung dalawang yun, no? Teka, papakita ko yung...
Ang gaganda,
medyo,
ganda tingnan.
Ang gaganda, 'di ba? It's called sacred geometry. Kasi meron talaga siyang may mga mensahe talaga tong mga crop circles na to.
Yes. Oo.
At saka basically ang talagang sinasabi niya, kailangan lawakan natin yung ating pag-iisip, no? Teka.
Parang maganda
nakikita niyo rin ba?
Yes, ma'am. Oo.
Dali
Parang maganda mag-selfie sa mga crop circle.
Ito yung lumabas ngayon 2024, no?
Yan. Ito na yun.
Tapos ganyan, malalaki sila, malalaki. At saka the way they're made, overnight lang to maski gaano ka-intricate, gaano kalaki, ito yung second lumabas this year. Hindi nasisira yung halaman.
Talaga?
So yung halaman bent, minsan 45 degrees, minsan it's bent to the ground, minsan it's twisted clockwise or counterclockwise, pero hindi nasisira yung halaman. Tsaka yung yield, yung crop yield, mas mataas pag dinaanan ng crop circle. So ito yung third image that came out this year, no? At pakita ko sa inyo yung video nito.
Very interesting, ha? Ang galing. Ang galing
naman. So malapit ito sa Stonehenge. It appeared June 30 this year.
Wow.
So you can see yung formation, para siyang 3D yan eh. Kaya lang they could not show it in a 3D form kasi nasa 2D lang, di ba? Pero pag ginamit mo yung imagination na yan, sabi ng iba mukhang quasar. Ganun, parang race ng ng isang galactic
yes.
Arm. These are galactic arms.
Katabi to ng Stonehenge, Ma'am Cora, no?
Ginagawa nitong malapit siya sa Stonehenge.
Oo, yun, katabi.
Kasi nga karamihan, kasi ang Stonehenge parang yan parang landmark. Yan ng mga extraterrestrial.
Portal daw yan.
Sightings, ganyan. So, yung energy na binibigay ng mga batong yun, medyo malakas. Actually, I had the fortune of going there. Papakita ko mamaya yun. So, dito yan. Look at the close-up shot, no? Napaka-accurate at napaka-precise nung the way the
pati yung formation
is made, no? At makikita mo talaga yung mga halaman hindi na mamamatay. So, buhay yung halaman.
Parang lang, no? Parang...
I'll stop there. And then I'll show you.
Parang diniinan lang ng
napaka-precise.
Parang in-stamp lang.
Tsaka you can see the measurements very accurate. So may mathematical basis talaga yung pag-formula ng crop circles.
Yes, ma'am.
So may isa pa ako ipapakitang video. Ito naman yung parang 3D depiction, no? Kasi nga this is not just hindi lang ito ang tawag dito 2D image eh. We have to use our imagination. So yung isang artist, ginawa niya to.
Actually, fini-feature na rin itong mga crop circles, iba't iba mga movie, mga TV channels.
Yung depiction niya.
Very interesting. Wow.
Parang toroid, diba?
Ito napaka-complex itong design na to, ha?
Yung iba very complex. Kaya hindi pwedeng sabihin ng ibang tao na silang gumawa niyan. Kasi yung imagination is so rich you know?
Yan, so meaning, Ma'am Cora, kung hindi gawa ng tao, sino may gawa?
Ito nga, so may papakita rin ako. So let's move on.
Yes.
So ito si Cab, he's a Pleiadian medium to Tsaka yung nanay niya si Judy, no. So they're Pleiadians that are in human form. Yes. So sabi niya yung latest one, yung may mga arms, sabi niya that crop circles the design of our friends from the Andromeda galaxy, no. precise frequency has been activated beneath the surface to produce this magnificent design. Many motherships carry this pattern. Parang logo nila sa mga motherships nila.
Parang
yung
seal,
image.
emblem nila, no? Parang ganun.
Parang ganun.
To identify yung kanilang
ito yung
tropa.
ito yung location ng Stonehenge at saka Avebury. Usually it's in Wiltshire County, no? Itong dalawang stone circles na to. At dyan madalas talaga lumilitaw every summer. Usually summer kasi nga planting season, no? So it can appear in wheat crops, corn crops. Yung corn makapalang stalk no na, pero pag binend yan ng sa crop circle, hindi siya namamatay. At saka buhay na buhay yung stalks. Yun yung proof na hindi siya man-made. Okay? Kasi pag man-made tapos ropes ang ginamit nila para i-twist yung mamamatay yung mababali yung stalks.
Totoo po.
Pero pagka non-human, hindi nasisira yung halaman.
Opo. I think
this is
sige po.
Ito yung stone circle sa Avebury. And then this information. No? Malalaking stones yan at saka ancient stones to. And then you have the Stonehenge, no? Again, it's an intergalactic marker that not only predicts time but more importantly, it's conduit for extraterrestrial messages. Kaya dyan nag-appear most of the Stonehenges. I mean the crop circles. This was me in 2006 when I went to Stonehenge. Sobrang ginaw at the time.
Kailan ka babalik doon, Ma'am Cora?
Hindi ko nakita yung crop circle kasi winter to eh. And usually nga summer sila nag-appear. No?
Yes.
Si Stonehenge.
Oo.
Yan. So those are the And then there was a phenomenon that happened to me, no? Kasi I had the fortune of going to the Pentagon on June 14, 2014. Okay. Yung katabi ko dyan, yung kaibigan ko, kasi she works at the Pentagon. She worked at the Pentagon. Sabi niya, Lika, Cora, ipapasyal kita sa Pentagon.
Okay.
Sabi ko, salamat, kasi that's a very rare opportunity to have the chance to go inside the Pentagon. And yan, so ito, nasa Hall of Heroes kami. And I pretended to be at the podium inside the Hall of Heroes, no?
Yes, ma'am.
So you know how Pentagon, how power-driven this area is, di ba?
Talaga matindi security.
I didn't know that I was there channeling light.
Wow.
The next day, sabi sa akin nung kaibigan ko from Australia, kasi pinost ko dun sa isang chat group namin, sabi niya, Cora, on the day that you went to the Pentagon, a very interesting crop circle appeared. Ito yon.
Wow.
So there was a star on the Pentagon. Same day yan that I was there.
Oo.
This crop circle.
Saan ito, ma'am? Saan ito nagawa, nakita?
Sa Wiltshire. Sa UK din.
Sa UK din.
And kaya ako nakapunta sa Stonehenge kasi nabigyan ako ng parang scholarship ng Chevening Fellowship, no? I became a fellow. So parang, the universe allowed me to go there for free. Pati sa Stonehenge, dinala ako ng isang host doon for free.
Sana all.
Yung gano'n, parang it was meant for me to be there. And then, yun nga, nung nangyari itong sa Pentagon, parang sabi ko, parang nga siguro may connection ako sa mga 80s, no, or something. But anyway, yan, gusto ko lang ikwento yan kasi nga, and kaya matagal ko nang pinag-aaralan tong crop circles kasi may personal experience ako about it.
Ayan. All right.
So,
Ma'am Cora, putulin muna kita, no? And
yes.
Mamaya babalikan kita, and of course si Jay kailangan din natin magbigay na daan sa ating mga paalala dito sa himpilan